Does this business really work? Alam ko yan ang unang tinatanong natin, lalo na kapag pagod ka na sa trabaho, pagod ka, kulang pa rin ang kita at naghahanap ka ng paraan para makahinga kahit papaano. Well, kami ay 266,000 members worldwide na at we are living proof that this business works for working moms, mga OFWs, mga caregivers, and busy mom na gaya ko, gaya mo na may pangarap sa pamilya. Kung sila nagawa, kaya mo din. If you're looking for extra income, more time with your kids, and future na hindi ka lagi pagod. This is the sign you've been praying for. Real people, real stories, real transformation, and we're celebrating 9 years strong today. Ready to see if this can also your breakthrough? Send me a message with info and I'll guide you step by step. Huwag po mahiya magtanong. Bye-bye and God bless po.